In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3150 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window. And once it's here, please hit the open option to continue. So once you are here, please wait until a search bar would be available at the center before we proceed on the process. So once here, please type for Epson space L3150 driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, which is this one. So please proceed to the first result or any of such, since they have similar options. As long as you can download the printer driver, then that's good. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to scroll down and click on this downloads to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can see where you can see the option where you can select the operating system, and that would lead you to the printer driver that is compatible to the Windows PC or laptop that you are having. Once here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on Go. And kindly wait again until you can see the printer driver where you can download it. So click on this downloads and please wait until a list of the option would be available under the download tab or section. Once here, please navigate to the drivers, tap on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and choose for printer driver. Click on this download, and if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, all you need to do is you need to click on accept so that you can start the downloading process eventually. So click on keep and this would be started. So kindly wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this download icon and click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So you would be redirected to this kind of window where it it as you placed your downloaded file here. All you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from here make a right click and go with paste. So once you have moved the printer driver here, the next step that we need to do is we need to extract it. So there are two ways on how to do such. You can double tap it, and then that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file, or by simply making a right click here and by using the WinRAR tool. Okay, just scroll down and use the WinRAR tool to extract it, and in that way you will be able to extract the file. So just click on it and kindly wait until the process would be done. Once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we will start the installation. So to start, I can make a right click, okay, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And from here, select on printers and scanners, and eventually you would be able to see a window like this. Please click on add device and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, add manually, and this kind of window would show up. Please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So once you're good, click on next. And all you need to do is you need to click on have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted up, then we need to navigate to it. And then here under the list of the option, please scroll down, double tap to the extracted file, double tapped, and it will show you a driver. Just select any of this. Anyway, they function similarly. So click on open, click on OK, and it would be added here. Click on next again, and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3150 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you'd like to set it as your default printer, click on it and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.